Finding a security to short in the Lightspeed Trader platform can be done in just a few easy steps. Type in the symbol of your choice into the quote window. You will notice that on the right side of the window, a code will appear in a colored box. The codes represent your ability to borrow a specific security to short. E in a green box means that the security is easy to borrow and you can place your short sell immediately on Lightspeed Trader. The L in a gray box means that the security needs to be located. You can request to locate these shares automatically from the Short Request. The Short Request window is a module built into Lightspeed Trader. It allows you to locate the shares you need. Simply type in the desired symbol you would like to borrow and the quantity of shares. Then click the Locate button on the right. If the shares are available, a new window will pop up with a price per share that you can borrow immediately, or cancel the request altogether. Lastly, a T in the red box represents threshold. Securities on the threshold list cannot be borrowed. It's that easy to find a stock to short in the Lightspeed Trader platform.